Thank you for choosing Healthcare Logistics as part of your storage solution. In this video, we are going to show you how to assemble a base cabinet with locking doors. Before assembling your base cabinet, it is recommended that you have a partner to assist with the occasional lifting and assembly. Also, familiarize yourself with all parts and check to make sure you have the following: back panel, top panel, bottom panel, left panel, right panel, left door, right door, shelving, toe panel, hinges, handles, screws, shelf pins, and keys. Fitting toggles on the back, top, and bottom panels are shipped in a secure position. Flip the toggles to the up position to unlock before you start assembly. Start by laying the back panel flat on the floor and bringing the top panel into position. Attach the top panel by aligning the pre-drilled holes with the connection fittings in the back panel. Push the two panels together. Once together, press the fitting toggles down to secure. Take the toe panel and attach to the bottom panel by inserting the connection fittings into the pre-drilled holes in the bottom panel. Take the bottom panel, turn it over, and position at the bottom of the back panel. Attach the bottom panel by inserting the connection fittings in the bottom panel into the pre-drilled holes in the back panel. Once together, press the fitting toggles down to secure. Lay the left panel next to the back and align the pre-drilled holes with the connection fittings in the back panel. Tilt the back, top, and bottom assembly so that the connection fittings slide into the pre-drilled holes in the left panel. Press the fitting toggles down to secure. Lay the right panel with pre-drilled holes down on the assembly. Align the holes with the connection fittings on the back, bottom, and top panels. Push the panels together and press the fitting toggles down to secure. Once the sides are attached, tilt the cabinet to the upright position. Decide where to position the shelves. The shelf is adjustable in 1 1/4 inch or 32 mm increments. Insert the clear plastic shelf pins into the shelf holes at your desired height. Make sure the back and front pins are placed at the same height. After the shelf pins are in place, install the two shelves. Position the shelves onto the shelf pins. Once the shelves are in place, you can now attach the doors. Before installing latches, the screw cover plate will need released by flipping the plate up with your fingernail or small screwdriver. The plate is hinged and will lift up. Begin by laying the doors flat on a table or floor with the hinge hole cutouts, which are inside of the doors, facing up. With the screw cover plate lifted, insert the pre-assembled hinge screws into the pre-drilled holes. There are 2 latches per door. Once the hinges are in place and flush against the doors, press down on the screw cover plates to secure the hinges to the doors. Position the door on the side of the cabinet. The hinges should align with the pre-installed hinge plates mounted inside the unit. Attach the hinges to the hinge plates by guiding the hooked area of the hinges around the small post on the hinge plates and pressing them to the plates until they latch. This step can be tricky and may take a few attempts to get the hinges to latch. The middle adjustment screw provides height adjustment. The height adjustment lets you align the door levels across a row of doors so they match precisely at top and bottom. The side adjustment regulates the gaps between doors, cabinets, and walls for perfect parallel alignment. To mount the door handles, insert the screws through the pre-drilled holes. Take a handle and align it with the screws, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten. When finished, do the same with the other handle. Make sure the door is closed so that the latch hook attaches to the latch plate. To open, squeeze the latch lever to lower the hook under the latch plate. With the locking doors now attached, the cabinet can now be used to secure contents. If you purchase the optional countertop, simply place it on top of the cabinet. We hope you find these instructions helpful. If so, please click on the like button. Also, click on subscribe and alerts to notify you when a new video is posted.